Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is today's current PNL. So 5,983 odds. So I'll show you the order book. So these are all the total number of orders that I have executed. So I have taken a couple of trades in Bank Nifty and a couple of trades in Nifty as well. So these two have been yielding me good profits, but these are not the best results as far as I see in retrospect, because I have made a couple of mistakes. In these mistakes, I'll let you know what exactly has happened. So and how I have framed my bias today in Magnifty. See, first of all, let us come to the daily chart. So what we can see in the daily chart is there is a swing high. So these two highs have been taken out by yesterday actually. So from yesterday, I actually have encountered some loss of 1300 or 1200 something. I couldn't post it, couldn't make any video out of it. And today, you see there was some bearish movement. Most of the times when you want to frame a bias, so always try to place your entries here within this week. Can you see this? So this is open, high, low, close, you all guys know, OHLC. So whenever you place a trade within this week, the odds of your trade becoming profitable is very high. uh, See, this week's, and at the same time, even if you see, on Tuesday it has given a bullish rally. So there are reasons, because there is a gap here. So this is a volume gap, as we say in ICT concepts. So this is the volume gap, and yesterday it didn't move, and sorry, on Monday it didn't move. So on Tuesday, it has taken out Monday's low. So yesterday, previous day's low, and then it has given a huge bullish expansion. So the right entry would be inside this week. So if you try to figure out your entries always in this week, you will have a better edge in terms of trading. Okay. So let's see what has happened today. And I mentioned, right, that open, high, low, close concept. So if you could place a trade in this week itself, you could have captured all this. But how do we know that market is going to fall or continue the falling, until where it's going to fall? These are all the doubts everyone has in their minds. So what I did is, I have seen these two bars, and I have applied the same concept in 15 minutes candle as well. So you see this 945 candle. I'll show you what has happened inside it, inside the wick of that 945 candle. See, this is where the 945 candle has started. It has started bearish, right? It has closed bearish. It's a strong bearish candle. And these highs have been manipulated once again. These highs have been raided, because whoever the people have shorted in this bar, seeing this huge bear bar, they have shorted and kept their stops here. So market has manipulated it and closed below again this. So this becomes the wick, right? This becomes the 15 minutes wick. It has opened here, it has manipulated till here, and it started distributing towards downside. That is where I have executed the trade. My first order, I will show you in the order book. So you see this 51,900 puts. So I've executed it for 343, and I've exited at 381. So 953 and 959. And the reason why I have, the reason why I have exited till here is, I just couldn't hold the trade for longer times. It's been an issue for me, because I don't know till where the markets could continue, and that has been a problem for me to hold for the winners. So my conservative exits, my conservative no take profit would be this low, because after this low, I don't know whether market is going to continue to the lower side still further, or market gonna retrace and come back, or market gonna reverse. I'm not sure about it, but until this low, I'm sure that the market is gonna fall. So this is the first trade that I have initiated, and after that I have waited for a couple of minutes. So my second trade, I would show you. This is at 11:28. I think I have averaged it for a better no profitability, but I'll show you that 11:28. Yeah. So where is 11:28? Uh, yeah, I have executed this order in this candle. So let me. I think this is not the chart. Oh shit! Sorry guys. So 11:28. 11:28. Yeah, I have executed one order here actually. So why did I execute this order? Because you guys, please see here. This is an inverse fair value gap. Again, this might be very strange to you when I'm discussing about inverse fair value gaps, and volume gaps and all. I'll make a separate video on that later. So first of all, you people try to grasp what exactly I'm trying to say, how I'm using my technicals to find a better edge. So this is a fair value gap that has been inversed. So if you see, we have gotten a serious buy trade here itself. If you have entered here and placed a stop loss somewhere here, you would have captured this much using this simple inverse fair value gap concept. But as we know, the market has opened bearish. So it is the higher chances are there for the market to continue downside. I didn't take this trade. And then when market has approached here, I thought the market this inverse fair value gap could hold, and that is where I have executed my order and I have held all the way till this low. Because you see, there has been a lot of retracement, there is a lot of pullbacks here. This is all a corrective move, and I'm pretty sure that all the people who have seen this move, they are trying to place their sell orders from this fair value gap. So market has given them a certain momentum, and all those people who are trying to wait, who have placed their targets still have been butchered by the market's upside move. But because this has happened, market why this has happened means there is a lot of liquidity here. So market always seeks only two things. One is inefficiency, second one is liquidity. So there is a ton of liquidity here. So what market did is, it has trapped all the sellers, because every person who has seen these two bear bars, they are trying to short somewhere in this fair value gap by placing the stop loss order here or somewhere here. All the people have been trapped, and I for sure know that this could be a possible reversal zone. Why? Because this is called a rejection block, and we will discuss all about these things later in detail. So what market did is, like, this has been inversed by the market again, and you guys can see that there is a bear bar here, and people who have seen this bear bar again, they have shorted here, and immediately market has reversed, continuing to the upside. So this has been a great trade for me, because I have been averaging ever since it has been correcting. So I have kept my stop losses all the way here. I couldn't capitalize much on this, although I think I have exited somewhere here. I think 1229. 1229 is in this candle. Yeah, I have exited in this candle. And then I have gone to and there are a couple of interesting setups as well. See, if you see, this is a premium zone fair value gap. So this could be a potential downside trade if you have placed stop losses somewhere here. And market did not give any sort of momentum. And then when market has given this upside, a lot of people think this is a breakout and this is going to continue a higher level to the higher levels. And what market did is, it has trapped every of the buyer here. So these are simple trades, guys. Let me discuss in Nifty. Nifty has been very great for me, but I couldn't hold because I was in a hurry. I had to rush, and I couldn't find time to hold trades for a long time. You see, in Nifty, this sell position I have tried to take couple of times, but in options it didn't move the way I wanted it to move. So if you see my order book, it will be somewhere like, I have executed position once. I have taken a loss. My position is from, I've taken entry at 202 and I've exited at 191, and then I have built the position at 193, and finally, did I exit this? I've exited this again. See guys, how my psychology has been. And later at 113, I have executed 325 quantity, 194 price, and then I exited at 203, merely capturing hardly 9.5, 10 rupees, something like that. And why? This is a premium fair value gap. So what are the odds that the market will definitely come downside? Because I have mentioned in the previous video also. For example, this is a market, and this is a 50% Fibonacci level, or whatever you call it. You always want to buy low. We have been saying these quotations, right? Buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. So where exactly is buy low, sell high means? This is a swing low to swing high. Okay, this is a swing low, this is swing high. If you mark 50% of this swing low to swing high, this whole move, so this is your discounted level, and this is your premium level. From here you have to see any sort of short trades. From here you have to see any sort of long trades. And you see, guys, market has left the liquidity untapped. See, so all the people who have been building positions here, they are seeing like a double bottom, triple bottoms, and trend line supports. This sort of breakers, and all the people who are aiming to hold the trade still here have got trapped, because this fair value gap, which is in premium level, is very strong than all the retail concepts. So market has simply obeyed this fair value gap and has come down. I try to make money out of this, but somewhere I've entered early and premium has decayed so much. I've encountered a loss here, and then when it has come here, I've shorted here again in the option chart. Again, I was butchered completely. And these are the two times that I tried to capitalize, but I couldn't. And finally, I've lost that confidence in me in somewhere. But I just executed the order somewhere here. I think in this bar itself, I have exited 125. I think so. Yeah, 126. I think in this bar I have exited. But see, market has continued downside. And you see, guys, most of the times, every other concept doesn't work. But only after exploring ICT and mastering these ICT concepts, I have been making money. I have never, seen success in retail concepts. This is a premium fair value gap. So market has literally obeyed it and has continued towards the downside. You see this. So this is all it for now, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video. I'll be posting all such videos, all such trading logics. So follow me for more. Thank you, guys. Stay tuned.